Hey, hi friend. Now we discuss about we had discussed about cloud computing. What exactly? Now we will discuss about cloud characteristics, right? So there are a lot of characters are there in this um, in the cloud. So first, it's remotely hosted. What are the service you are using? It should not be hosted on your local computer. It should be hosted on the somewhere else, remote computer, some other data center, which over the internet. So that's what we call it's a remote hosted. Every services you will get the remotely only, and ubiquitous. Its service or data are available from anywhere throughout the internet. It's on demand, anywhere, any place, anytime you will get. That's what it's ubiquitous. And resiliency, why it is resiliency, and it's general the mirror solutions to multiple data center, because whatever you getting the services, it's something wrong, that something goes wrong with the server. You should not get disconnect. You will get the data from another. So it's kind of resilience. You should not get the downtime. You should not get the disconnection from your network. So that's kind of resolution, because the mirror solution will provide. You might be heard about in the read configuration and the mirror technology are there. So that kind of technology here. So it's a resiliency. If anything goes wrong with the one server, you will get another. If you should not lose your data, you should not lose your connection, you should not lose your time. So that's what it's resiliency. And on demand self, yes, of course, it's on demand and self service, because how much how much you pay, that depends upon you. That much you need to, sorry, how much you use, that much you pay only. So like what I'm talking, if you use the services, at that time you will pay the money. If you stop using this thing, then you should not pay the money. So that doesn't mean like if you have taken the contract, like if you're using, and now you have shut down your machine, even though it is because you are taking the contracting, that's what it will, you need to pay the money. That is not how much you use, that much you pay. This is what. And of course it's on demand and self service, right? It's automatically like such as never time to a network storage means the like I can give an example. If you are using some server, and the server provided the 1 GB Mbps per second, and I don't know, you might be use some other service. That's what it, your network bandwidth, it's increasing above the 1000 GB per Mbps. So at that time you should not worry about it. Automatically increase your speed and duplex of the internet adapter. So you no need to worry about it. So it's auto self services. Okay, but in the server, what you will do, in if you own data center, you have to be increase your network bandwidth, right? So this is what it's on demand and self services. And rapid elasticity, because a user can utilize as much or little of the cloud service as required. For example, resources, web server. If you're using the web server, same thing, like rapid elasticity means what? If you're using the web server, and you are using like at a time you're using 5 6 7 or web server, so that means the bandwidth should be higher, right? So you no need to worry about it, the bandwidth prospective things. The cloud technologies that automatically, the service provider automatically, it will increase your band the way, that how much you use, that depends upon you, and it will automatically increase your bandwidth. No need to worry about it, because if you're using something, if the bandwidth is high, definitely it will slowness you will feel, right? But that doesn't happen in the cloud. Everything should be, automatically happen. I mean, I told you, right? The network prospect bandwidth perspective, if you using 100 mbps, if you use some more services, and it increased 1000, definitely network adapter speed also increase. Okay, speed and duplex will increase automatically. You no need to do anything manually. This is what the rapid elasticity. Okay, and the broad network access. So that means you are not only use only your desktop. It can be used on the mobile phone, laptop, anywhere. Okay, it's a heterogeneous thin and thick client platform, because I think thin and thick everyone know it, right? This is what might you might heard about in Hyper-V or VMware also, right? Thin and thick platform. So it's a broad network. It's broadcast. It will do the broadcast not only for the desktop, it's mobile phone, laptop, anywhere you can use PDS anywhere. So this is what about the cloud characteristic, and the next video will talk about okay, and next, and another characteristic is that the fully managed by the provider, because I told you, you just get the services. You no need to, if you ask for the one application, you just open the browser and access the URL and use the application. If anything goes behind, that will taken care by the service provider. So it is fully managed by the service. So that's what it's a hide of complexity. User should not feel it's a complexity. It's a hide of complexity. Okay. I like kind of, I told you, like when I start this video, in the first video I told it, in the earlier, like we have their own data center, we need to patching all the servers manually, and the security perspective, we need to update the antivirus, we monitor every day, we have to recruit it, we have recruit some engineer to do all these things. So this is not required, sorry, this is not required here. It is fully managed by the service provider. You just only the use the application to access the internet. That's it. So this is what the characteristics of cloud computing. On the next video, we will talk about the cloud computing service model. There are the three services are the SaaS, PaaS, and LaaS, that will be discussed on the next video. So guys, do not forget to subscribe my channel and comment and like. Please, without these things, I cannot grow my channel. I'm requesting you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. We will see you on the next video.